Hello everybody, welcome to Bilisoma Show. What is the difference between TPLF members and OPDO members? OPDO members don't listen to Oromo people. OPDO members listen to TPLF members. OPDO members do not take orders from Oromo people. OPDO members take orders from the Tigray People's Liberation Front.